This is probably our last camping trip of the season in Colorado. We're on the Crystal River now. It's finally subsided to fishable levels and it looks pretty darn good. I suspect we'll catch some fish here. Sue's re-rigging. The dogs and I have been moving around. Let's get started shortly. That's fascinating. I made 5 casts and had 4 fish on. Not big. One was about a foot long. This is a little guy. Must have had 20 or 30 strikes down below. Sue just had a nice one on right behind that rock. The dogs are happy. We're happy. It's a beautiful day. Come on, fish, come up. Sue's got a nice one coming. Yeah, maybe a foot. That would be unusually good for here. Well, I managed to lose a couple of big fish. This was about a foot. Yeah, it's amazing small stream fishing. I don't know if I've ever seen anything quite like it. Another one bites the dust temporarily. Okay, this was part of a double, but the other one's hopped off, and I think he caught my fly too. Really nice fish. This is about a foot long. Thank you. Last fish. It's too easy. Well, we'll say goodbye. It's hard to give it up, but it was way too easy. There's the raggeds in the background. We get a better view of those tonight when we can't. We've had a change of plans. We're in the Gunnison. It was an hour-and-a-half drive from Marble. But we're hopeful with the low water we may have some success with some good browns here. Well, we're both kind of mystified. There's no hatch of any sort going on. Sue says she's had 1 strike. I haven't seen a darn thing. It looks, water's perfect for what we're doing, but maybe it's just time of day issues. We'll find out shortly. Here's an oddity. Oops, he just got off. I left a little yellow Sally out in front of a streamer I'm sure throwing out here, and I had a fish on with it. Not a big one, but a fish is a fish. We're camped in a beautiful place right under this gargantuan. I mean, the trunks are as big as our car. And then there's nobody else here, which is wonderful. Louis Jadot, Sue, and hot dogs, and coleslaw. Okay, we haven't seen any crocodiles yet, but it's a really nasty night. A lot of wind. God, it's gorgeous down here, though. Look at that mesa across the way. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. The dogs are happy. They're going to be gone in a minute. I'm going to try to catch a brown trout and see what happens. Louie's going to go wallow and the little one's going to follow her. That's great. We gave up on the Gunnison this morning. The river's in a funk. It's definitely dog days on that river. So came back to the Crystal, drove over McCoy Pass. I'm going to fish the Crystal in the town of Redstone. We do this all the time, or at least we have historically, and it's generally there's a few little fish along here. Strangely enough, I actually caught an 18-inch rainbow here one day, and I don't know where he came from, but let's see what happens this morning.